Hello, my creative friend. I greet you on my 5th day of my show, Urban Sketching Bite by Bite, where we every day of April, piece by piece, drawing different elements of a cityscape, a crossroad, a shop showcase, an entrance to the underground, some tables of the street cafe, and so on. Everyone can join me, even if you're a complete beginner in sketching or drawing, if you never tried to draw, if you're a serious adult. It doesn't matter. Everyone can do it. And this is a great project to start from something, because I choose simple objects which everyone can draw. Your style, your skills, materials which you use, they also doesn't matter in this project. Here, any of us during this project, we are creating our own imaginary world, some imaginary city, your own Tricksterberg, created from different tiny pieces of cityscape. All videos to this show I collected in one playlist. I will put a link here. And you can start from the first video and jumping from one stage into another. And to the end of April, you will collect the whole huge set of sketches with details of your city. And today it is Sunday, it is weekend, so I don't want you and me to be tired. That's why I will make a short video with speed paint of all my processes. And at the first part of this video, we will draw additional character to our yesterday's sketch. How to draw this post box you can find in my yesterday's video. I will put a link here. And who those people from you who skips the part with characters, you can jump into our next chapter. I will divide everything into chapters so you can easily skip this part with characters and start with our today's main character of this city, the bench, let's say. But if you like my sketches, if you are just a viewer, or maybe you draw along with me, and if you like my strange city of Tricksterberg with its inhabitants, if you like my characters, if they inspire you for your own creativity, you can send me your jokes about them, your memes, your short stories, maybe some caricatures or your own interpretations of my characters. You can send them into the comments of the video for the characters you have chosen, or you can send your creations into my free Telegram channel. Yesterday I've made a special post and I pinned it. The link is in the description to this video, so you can easily find this link, and you can always join this cool and funny creative interactive. And some of your stories, jokes, limericks, poems, memes, and so on, I can show in my upcoming videos. So I invite you to this breathtaking creative game. And now it's time to start drawing. You can observe my yesterday's sketch. You can pause the video here and try to guess what character will appear now in this sketch near this mailbox. Write your suggestion in the comments, and I will wait for it. And now it's time to draw, and very soon you will see who actually will appear on this place near this mailbox. I will show you my upcoming character, and after that I will speed up my drawing process. How do you like it? So cute, funny, and long dog. Let's do it. I think that it is enough to show you, to demonstrate how we can add some life, some intrigue, some story into our initial sketch. And this exact dog, I suppose it is really a perfect inhabitant of my tricksterberg. She, or I don't know, I think it is she. She looks super for this exact place, and we can see how patiently she is waiting for some very important letter for her. So I encourage you to draw with me. You never know how far this project of urban sketching bite by bite could lead you. Already in 30 days. Who knows which ideas could come to your mind, which project will you manage to realize. Continue, create something interesting, sketches, and explore your inner world and your visual style. Observe what do you like and try to implement these features into your upcoming sketches. Practice regularly, consistent, and you will get anything of this sketching practice, I am sure. And I'd like, if you were drawing with me and you have added your own character to our previous sketch, you can show me your sketches into my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. You can upload your sketch and tell a couple of words about you, about your today's feelings. You describe your experience. Maybe some of you will get some insights. It is very interesting for me. And some of your sketches I will show in my upcoming episodes. And now it is time to draw our today's topic, our today's theme. It is, I will try to find my reference. So wait a minute. This is the reference which I have chosen for our today's topic, the bench, this, or maybe this. I still don't know which one to choose because they both are very nice and beautiful, but maybe I will choose this one because it is so airy, it is so light. And if you are drawing with me, just find your own reference which grabs your attention, which is intriguing you, which would you like to draw. I will show you briefly my drawing process, and after this short part we will have a couple of minutes to discuss what have we got and some other interesting and useful stuff. So, watching how to draw. So I guess that my today's sketch is ready. I played a little bit with these curls and make them, of course, not as they are on the reference, but I think that we should rely on our mood, imagination, and impression if you want sometime to lose your patience and draw wobbly and curvy and very loose, even already close to some grunge style. You should do it. Don't be afraid of drawing something ugly. And I encourage you to show your own works for today's topic, the bench. You can send them into my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description, and tell you a couple of words about your today's experience. And now it is the most intriguing part of today's video. In this composition on the bench, we see that we have some free place. No, maybe it's not free, but the bench is empty. So, I would like to draw there and some additional interesting and a little bit odd character. I'm going to do it tomorrow in my next video. And now, let's play a game. Try to imagine or guess or suggest which character will appear here, or maybe which one would you like to see here. Just turn on your imagination, think boldly, and don't limit your fantasy, your imagination, and maybe it will be your character which will appear tomorrow in this particular part of my Tricksterberg city. We will know about it tomorrow. And our tomorrow's topic is a showcase window. I would like to choose something more complicated, because if we are going to draw only pylons and traffic lights and road signs, we cannot go far with it. So be prepared for something more intermediate. Prepare your photo references in advance, and tomorrow we will start with drawing without any preparations. I wish you a great practice, inspiration, and perfect weekends. And by the way, if you need the list of upcoming topics for our next days of this project, let me know in comments, and I will prepare this list for you. Because people would like to know before. Some people prefer surprise themselves. So choose on which side are you. And I would like to announce that tomorrow I will make my traditional silent stream drawing together, when we just want to spend some time in a creative environment, to draw together and just to keep silence. We are going to draw something unusual. Today in my Telegram channel I will show you my references for tomorrow's practice, so you can adjust yourself, your mood for tomorrow's deep and meditative sketching. By the way, all this week I will drawing sketches to my 100-day projects. I have not told about this project too much, but in future I hope that it will happen. Every week during these 100 days I am exploring beautiful movies and to draw 7 sketches to one movie, and on Sunday I choose another movie and continue. So all the previous week I was drawing by the movie Caravaggio. It is a story about one very controversial artist, and the movie is also very controversial. Maybe I will tell you tomorrow a couple of words about it. If you are interested, let me know in comments. And because of my immersion into this environment of 16th century and this artists, tomorrow on my silent stream I would like to try to redraw or to draw from his own paintings. And tomorrow I will tell you why sometimes we need to draw from paintings of famous and really great artists, why we need to do it, especially when we are learning. And also tomorrow I will tell you a couple of words about my 100-day project, and maybe I will show you several of my studies to it. If you are interested, also let me know, because we are already on day 40 or 41, so I have got a lot of sketches there. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. I wish you a great day, a lot of some nice events, inspiration, and see you on my tomorrow's live stream. See you there. Bye.